Hi angels, welcome back to another Cyanotype video. We're going to be making another Cyanotype top, and my voice is almost gone. My. But the stencils I got from Etsy's, and the Cyanotype is from Amazon, and the UV light is from Amazon as well. I'll leave a link for everything that I'm going to be using down in the description box down below. Here we go. So I already mixed up my Cyanotype in this bottle a long time ago. So all I'm going to do is just spray it on there. And then just let it sit. You can let it sit overnight, or you can use your blow dryer to dry it. I just let it sit and dry on its own. I'm not in any rush. I have other things to do. So after I spray it on there, let it sit, let it dry, and voila. This is how it looks when it's dry. So now I'm placing on there the stencils. And I decided that it's going to look kind of empty, so I got some dry pressed flowers that I got from Amazon. I've used these before in different projects. So I'm just placing them around the corner. I'm going to have to redo this because after I add the little pins at the side, I realized that it was bending and nothing was laying down flat. So I just transfer everything back over to this. I'm going to have to redo this again because it was still not laying down there flat. Dun, 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 dun. I kept the flowers and placement, everything on there the exact same. And then I'm going to add some different flowers on there as well, because they still kind of look a little bit empty. Place down there my glass, and then I'm just going to clip around the sides. And in the bottom, where the Cyanotype got on there, decided to just place some flowers on there as well so that it can transfer. I turn on my UV light. I'm going to let it sit underneath the UV light for 1 hour. Here's a little close-up of how it's looking. Looking good. And after 1 hour of it sitting underneath the UV light, I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. You can already see that it already changed color to like a darker blue, which is perfect. So everything transferred on there perfectly. Now I'm just removing the clips from around the sides, removing the glass. This is the most satisfying part of everything. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The flowers, they transferred on there perfectly. I mean, of course they did. But just look at it. It looks so pretty already. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. I need to do one with just flowers. And now I'm just removing the stencils. As always, the stencils always transferred on there perfectly. This is how it looks. I'm going to give you guys a closer look up close of the flowers and everything. After this, I'm just going to wash out the Cyanotype, and then I'm just going to let it air dry. You can dry it in the dryer, but I always just let it air dry. Now it's time to wash it out with just some water. And you can see it. It's going to be changing color right in front of your face from a dark blue to a light blue. I'm going to be washing it out until I see that the color is actually disappear. You can't wash out any more color, basically. Just let it sit, let it run underneath the water. It looks kind of like a yellowish green. But yeah. I'm making sure everything is looking good, and it is, and I'm super, super happy. This turned out perfectly, like I knew it would. I'm going to try it on so that you guys can see how it looks. It looks so cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Perfect. Alright, I let this hang overnight and just air dried, and look at it. It looks so pretty. I need to cut it though, but it looks good. Okay, so this is how it looks on. It looks gorgeous. I love the way how it turned out. It is so cute. It's just so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. Let me see. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's no changes that I would actually make to it. I thought that I would cut it, but once I tried it on, I realized that it was fine just the way how it was. So I just kept it at the same length. No need to cut it. If you want to cut it, cut it. But I just like the way how it looks. It's so pretty. I'm glad I decided to add the flowers on there. Add a little something new. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodaloo.